everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to convert Spaylater to GCash. So first thing you have to do is go to any shop and then select a product that you want to buy. So let's say for example this one, just tap on buy now, and then scroll down to see the Spaylater as payment method. This one. So you just have to tap on that, and then once done, you just have to place the order. And then after that, once you receive the product, you just have to sell the item and request payment via GCash. So let's say for example, you list the product on the Facebook Marketplace. You just do something like this and then just request for the payment via GCash. And then you just have to wait for the payment to arrive, and it will look something like this on your wallet. And that's it. So just take note that this method allows you to convert your Spaylater purchase into cash quickly by having the buyer pay you directly via GCash. And also take note that there is no direct way to convert your Spaylater to GCash, but you can just simply use this method to do so. And there you go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!